everyone, what's up? Welcome to the channel, and today I have a surprise for you guys. And I don't have my RC390 with me actually. It has been it was somewhere from last 3 days, so I think this is gonna be a good day. Let's hope what will happen. So we are at the location. I'll be revealing what I have done to my bike and what's been happening from last 3 days very soon. So my request is please do watch this vlog completely, and so I'll be giving so many details regarding what I have done to my bike and what is the cost for that and everything. So catch you guys in some time.
I'm just calling to say I
So first of all, thanks a lot Kaushik sir for your amazing response and amazing service which you have given to me. The video does not do the justice at all. We have to look at the bike directly. So when I am seeing it, I am literally blown away. So I like to know, and my viewers would like to know what has been done to the bike and what are all the plans which you have if anybody approaches you. So please go ahead.
So, Autotriz is a German brand, right? This is a brand store, and we hold the master franchise rights for Karnataka, right? Currently, we have this store in HRBR layout, and yes, we plan to expand as our guys becomes experienced and can train others. Obviously, we'll expand all across Karnataka. So Autotriz is a German brand, and when we talk about Germany, definitely there is no questions about the car makers. The best comes out of Germany, right?
The quality.
Yes. So we talk about Autotriz in India. Our head office is Pune, and we have by now 9 studios across India, right? Mostly in South and West. But we intend to obviously move all across India and expand all across India in coming years, right? So that's about the brand, right? We are available in approximately 35 plus countries by now. Yes, that's the backup of the brand that I can tell you, right? So we research, develop, manufacture everything in-house. It's not that buying a product from somewhere, apply it somewhere. It's all done in-house. We have research centers across Germany, and our production of the material happens from the factory in Malaysia. So that's about the backup of the product that we have. So see, we have this product ranging from V1 to V7, as you see, tweaked for each surface separately. It's not that a paint product is applied on a glass or a wheel or anything. It's like each product is defined for a defined surface.
Yes.
So in auto industry, if you look at, we have paint, we have plastic, we have wheel, we have glass, and interior, if you talk, probably a leather or a fabric, right? So all together, this becomes the packages, right? Where we do a full 360-degree exterior also and 360-degree interior also. Nano ceramic coating is all about protecting the originality, right? That's what the brand is all about, to protect the original surface.
This is a brand new bike. It's like 2 months old, but this is looking more than brand new now. I'm really excited, and I'm really pumped up by seeing this work actually. So we'll just quickly go over what is happened actually to my bike.
So see, if you look at the surface of the bikes, you have both the surfaces.
Yes.
One is matte finish, and this is the glossy finish.
Yes.
Right. Now, if you look at, there is, see, generally people have the understanding that if ceramic is done, it actually makes it shiny and glossy. So even matte surface will become shiny and glossy.
No.
That's not the reality.
Yes.
whatever you have,
Yeah.
it just protects that.
Protects that.
It makes it more tidier in the look,
Yeah.
but it will just protect that. So
Yes.
if you see this matte finish is
Yes.
still matte finish.
Yes.
There is no change.
Yeah.
If you just take this look and this look,
Yeah.
this particular thing is still glossy.
Glossy.
And it will make it more glossier.
Yes.
But this surface
Yeah.
is now still a matte finish with tidier look.
Yes.
Right? You look at this surface.
Yes.
Still glossy.
Yeah.
As we have put 3 base layers, 1 top layer all
Yeah.
together from the painted surface.
Yes.
So basically it's a package that we have done.
Yes.
So 3 layers of coating for good 3 years of life that we are
Yes.
talking about, which is done for the complete paint surfaces.
Yes.
Right? All
Yeah.
the painted surfaces.
Yes.
Then as I showed you the products
Yes.
all together for different surfaces.
Yes. We have the
We
leather.
have the alloys,
Yes.
which is coated by the alloys coating.
Yeah.
We have the leather, which is done for the seats.
Yes.
Leather coating.
Yeah.
Then we talk about the plastics.
Yes.
All the plastics are even coated. So
Yes.
whatever plastics you see are coated as well.
Yeah.
So that way it's a combination of full V1 to V7
Seven.
as you saw. Everything is applied to actually give a finish to the vehicle.
Yes.
Our first job
Yeah.
basically is to ensure that the bike is, or a car is
Yes.
back to the showroom
Showroom.
finish first.
Yes.
It's not that we just take the car or bike and start coating.
Yes.
There is a pre-process
Yes.
which takes good amount of time. Maybe
Yeah.
half a day for a bike,
Yeah.
maybe 1 day for a car.
Yeah.
To complete the process of bringing it back to the finish.
Yeah.
Because you have to understand that
Yeah.
either you do ceramic coating or the PPF, it's actually completely transparent.
Yes.
So whatever the look of the bike or car is,
Yeah.
it will come up
Yeah.
with more shine and gloss.
Yes.
If it is not done properly, then it will not have the proper finish.
Yeah. Yes.
So the first job, and I will say the main job is to actually ensure that
Yes.
the bike or a car
Yeah.
is back to the finish first.
Yes.
Even if you have taken from the showroom,
Yeah.
my job will be to bring it to factory finish first,
Yes.
not showroom finish.
Yes.
Factory finish and then coat it.
Yes.
So that we preserve the actual look of the bike or
Yeah.
car, which was out of the factory.
Yes.
Yes.
And as I can see, you have and the guys has done the amazing work. I'm not able to believe my own eyes, and I'm absolutely thank you for giving me this such a surprise for my birthday. I was thinking about it from last 1 year. After I got this bike, I have decided I have to get this done, and this is worth it actually. So thanks a lot for your response, and thanks a lot for the things which you have explained it to me, and thanks a lot for the knowledge which you have given to me about this product and about everything.
Thank you for the trust and thank you for being such a wonderful person.